In this section, we will discuss the importance of hands-on learning.
Hands-on learning is a form of active learning in which children learn by doing.
This includes curriculum, enrichment programs, field trips, and more.
Kids Club has an educational concept framework for the year, which lists monthly themes and topics of study. Our educational enrichment coordinator, along with the Kids Club staff, create this framework each spring for the upcoming school year. This includes a theme, essential questions, and vocabulary for each month. A monthly curriculum calendar is created from the educational concept framework to provide activities to help students become more familiar with the theme. Monthly curriculum is designed to engage students from grades K through 5. Activities are developmentally appropriate based on age, interest, and ability. Students' voices are heard as they explore their creativity and leadership skills daily. This is done through a wide variety of STEAM, science, technology, engineering, arts, and math curriculum activities. Enrichment activities are scheduled throughout the year to complement the school day through fun, activity-based learning experiences. These enrichment and curriculum activities reinforce the knowledge and skills needed for in-school success. These programs are planned to include a variety of topics such as arts and humanities, character development and social competence, language and literacy, health, wellness, and fitness, interactive natural exploration, STEAM activities, and more.
Field trips and on-site visits provide unparalleled opportunities for learning. They provide children with opportunities for hands-on experiences and background knowledge that they may not receive in a classroom. Field trips are both fun and educational. Field trips may take place on-site or off-site. Kids Club field trips are aligned to weekly and monthly curriculum themes during school vacation weeks and in the summer. It is beneficial to prepare the students prior to the trip. This includes preparing the students on the educational experiences they will receive, as well as expected behaviors during each field trip. Follow your own program's protocol for field trips. Kids Club uses a field trip checklist to ensure all procedures are followed appropriately. This includes everything from the behavior and expectations of the children and staff, packing the materials needed for the trip, and more. Quality before and after school programs offer a wide variety of STEAM curriculum, hands-on learning, site visitors, and field trips.
Hands-on learning is a fun way for students and teachers to explore fun educational opportunities.